My dear children, this is the fourth module, that is the continuation of SQL elements. In this module, we are going to discuss about strings, null and comments. What do you mean by a string data type? The string may be a character or combination of characters and numbers. While we are entering string literals, we need to enclose that values within single quotes. If you want to specify a column with a string type datas, either we can use char data type or varchar data type. Char means it is having fixed length string between 1 to 255 characters. It always occupies m size for each data. For example, if size is character of 20 and we are trying to store the value mobile, how many characters in mobile? We are having only 6. But in the table, it will occupy 20 size with space padded at right side for remaining places. That means the compiler automatically adds blank spaces in the spaces which are not filled by the user's data. Mostly used in case where the data to be inserted is of fixed size, like grade, employee code, Aadhaar number, phone number, voter's ID, all these datas having fixed number of characters within it. So that we need to use only char. Char will give better performance, that is, it will store the data in faster method than varchar. The varchar data type is used for variable length string between 1 and 65,535 characters. It takes size as per the data entered. For example, if we are giving the size of varchar as 20 and we are trying to enter mobile having only 6 characters. If we are using varchar, the compiler won't add any blank spaces in the unused spaces. It will take only 6 bytes. It is useful for the data like name, address, where the number of characters to be entered is not fixed. Then varchar is supported by Oracle, not supported by MySQL. Both are almost same with minor differences. The difference is in the way they are handling empty string and null. For varchar, these two are different, whereas varchar 2 treats both as same. My dear children, in MySQL, we need to study only what is char and varchar. Once again, I am giving the differentiations between char and varchar. Char is fixed length string. Used where number of characters to enter is fixed. It is fast. No memory allocation every time happens. It takes more memory than varchar. While we are discussing varchar means variable length string used where number of characters to be entered is not fixed, like name and address, etc. It is very slow as it is taking the size of data according to the entry of each and every data. It takes less space than char data type. My dear children, let me ask a question. Which data type uses memory efficiently or effectively? Which is more powerful? The answer is varchar, because it uses only less memory space. Coming to the next element, that is null. Null means a missing information. If we are not having any data to be entered in a cell, then we need to enter only null. Null can appear in any type of column if it is not restricted by not null or primary key. Always remember, null is neither equal to 0 nor a space. Null means nothing. Used in a situation like if email ID is not available with the students, then we will insert only null values. Coming to the last element of SQL, that is comments. It is a text that is not executed only for documentation purpose. Comments in MySQL can be written as, that is, it begins with /* and ends with */. The comment can be followed by a space. Begin, then comment with a hash. For example, if you write like /* select star from EMP, where EMP equal to 4. This is considered as a non-executable statement in MySQL because it begins with /* and ends with star and a slash. Whereas the second line is considered to be an executable document or executable instruction in MySQL. That means it fetches all the details. My dear children, I think you are all clear about what are string data types. There are two types, char and varchar. Know the differences between char and varchar. Null elements, and the last one, comments. Thank you.